People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet, and my blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. And I'm here to talk to you about a little basic math, but first I want to show you something, okay? This is 6 pattern repeats and a 5-stitch border on each side. If you look really, really close, you'll see 2 stitches right here and right here, from where it says knit 1, star, knit 1, make 1, go into the pattern. And then on this side, you will notice you're ending on a knit 1, and where's that second knit stitch? Well, what a lot of people don't realize, when they have a pattern that says knit 1, star, repeat across, when they're casting on their multiples, they need to add 1 extra stitch at the end. So, okay, my multiple 26 is 6 pattern repeats, which is what I wanted. By a multiple of 26 is 156, okay? So, my 5-stitch border, 5 on each side, that's 10. So that gives me 166. Plus that extra stitch to end your pattern makes a total of 167. So if you look up and you're 1 stitch short, then the next time you're going across, and do it on the from the left needle when you're knitting over to the right, so that way it ends up on the correct side. Just increase 1 stitch in the very last stitch, and then continue the pattern as normal. So that way, when you read a pattern that says knit 1, star, knit 1, make 1, knit 3, blah blah blah, repeat from star across. Then when you get to the last stitch from that repeat on the end of your pattern, I mean that's after you've done all your repeats. In other words, you're doing 5 extra repeats. When you're on the 6th one, here's an extra stitch. Go ahead and knit that. So that way you have your 2 knitted stitches in the center of your pattern. So that way it keeps it congruent. And then you do your borders. So otherwise you have a border of 5 stitches on one side and 6 stitches on the other, making that 11. But just remember, one of your 5 stitches on the left side, you know, for the border is being knit. So that way, when the pattern is stretched out, it looks perfectly even. So, if you looked up and you're going, how come I got this one missing stitch? Just go ahead and do a make 1 or yarn over or a knit 1 and knit another stitch in the same stitch, type dealio at the end, so that way all the stitches that are in your pattern stay within the pattern, and that extra stitch is added. Because if it's at the bottom of the pattern, no one's going to notice it anyway. They'll notice if you knit up 6 or 7 inches and then add it. That's all. This is People 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.